This all.
What? $5.53. No, you're all good though.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's a little windy out here today. But I'm out here at one of my buddy's ponds. He was out here fishing a couple of days ago. He said he caught 50 bass, I want to say. So I had to come out here once I heard that. And today I'm gonna be throwing a new swim bait that just got released. The new option swim bait. I got it in the 5-inch shad color, gizzard shad color. So we're gonna throw that around. And last time I was out here, about, I think it was last summer, I caught a couple catfish too, so we got a chance at some catfish. But enough talking, we're gonna get straight into the video. So while I'm throwing these bass lures around, I'm gonna leave this night crawler out on the bottom for these catfish. Last time I was out here, I was catching catfish on Cincos. So this night crawler to match that perfectly. So we got a night crawler on. And you're gonna throw this out and leave it on the bottom. See if any catfish wanna pick it up. Just like that. Make sure I drag it sit. Make sure our clicker is on. And we're good to go. Got one. First fish of the day. Ah, that was a nice one. He must ain't get this treble hook on top. Well, missed first fish. Well, my line must have got wrapped around the tip because no more swim bait. That cost me a good little money. A little salty about that, but I guess we're gonna throw this jerk bait around. Wait, I think someone just picked up our night crawler. That's our night crawler. Let's see if he's up there. Turn the click off. Yep, he's up there. coming towards the bank. Yep. Get up here. Exactly what I wanted. Catfish. I'm gonna get them on hook and I'm gonna show them to y'all. He swallowed that hook. I think I'm gonna just cut the line and retie. Cause he swallowed that hook, they ain't getting that out. Nice catfish. We're gonna get us another night crawler going. Close this up. Just like that. Make sure that drag is set. We're all good. Well, since our very expensive swim bait came off, we're gonna throw this jerk bait around. He's not a real big one. That's like an average size one. Get this out. Get my pliers. Decent little bass. Got our picture. We'll send him back on his way. See you, dude. There he goes. Let's get back to it. Another little decent one. No big ones yet. Get these hooks out. Got him on hook. Another little decent bass. Let this one go too. Gone. Got him. Hit it right on top. Yeah, this is a better fish. Stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Oh, he's barely hooked. No. I definitely should have took him down there. But I thought I could flip him up here. That was a good fish. Got one. Not as big as that one. That's a little one. He's skipping on top of the water. And there he goes. I'm just losing fish today. And show them to y'all. That's the best one of the day. The one I lost earlier though was about twice this size. Rookie mistake by me, but got this one. We're gonna let him go. Go on. Get back on him while we got some daylight. Something has our worm. Whatever it was, it just came off. Hook just pulled. think our worms got picked up. Yep, he's up there. We got another catfish. Bring him over here where it's shallow at. Not making the same rookie mistake again. Another catfish. Get a hook out of him. Got one. It's not a big one, but a fish is always a fish. A little dink. Pliers. Little guy. See you. Gone. Well, sun's starting to go down, so about to pack it up and get up out of here. This video was supposed to be all about that swim bait, but we all saw what happened to that. Maybe I'll buy two next time, so I still have one. But still had a good time. We improvised, threw a couple other baits, caught some fish, caught two catfish to take home. But yeah, I want to thank my buddy's grandparents for letting us come out here and fish this wonderful pond again. I love coming out here. I'll still link that swim bait down in the description so y'all can take a look at it, because I really do think it's real good to use. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure y'all hit the like button. If you don't want to miss any future videos, hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.